Is Duolingo enough to learn Spanish? Sometimes, but not always. For total beginners, or people who feel like they can't learn languages, the answer might surprise you. Duolingo is everywhere. It's free, fun, and sends you guilt trip notifications every day. But here's the issue. Most people can play Duolingo for months and still freeze when someone speaks Spanish to them. Why? Because vocabulary matching and speaking confidence are two very different skills. So if you've never learned a language, or if Duolingo just isn't clicking, don't worry. There is nothing wrong with you. You may just need a slower, more natural approach. Spanish Slow and Easy is built for people who think they can't learn languages. No grammar drills, no memorization pressure. Just follow along audio at a calm pace. Real conversational Spanish you'll remember. If you've felt stuck, frustrated, or like you're not language wired, check the link in the description or go to SpanishSlowandEasy.com to try our free lessons.